Hi, in front of me is VIVAX Point X503 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative, and close an ad. Over here you can customize your edges however you want. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, choose animation speed, border size, and many other things. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources like photos, choose a photo, adjust it and tap at the top right corner. Click Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, click Set Wallpaper at the top right corner, and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of these options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and click on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Click Yes. Click on the switcher, go back. Sometimes you have to go back into the app, so I will do that right now. And lastly, click on the switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!